Hello, I'm Dr. Janice Reed, Technical Services Manager for CSI. In today's video, we're going to talk about what to do when the output in your precision delivery system decreases. When using the precision delivery system featuring Doxem Precise, you may notice a decrease in bait output when the cartridge has very little bait left in it. When this occurs, it's time for a new cartridge of Doxem Precise. But wait, don't waste that leftover bait. We want you to recover the leftover bait and continue to use it. To do this, simply tap the remaining bait into a new, fresh cartridge of Doxem Precise and then attach your new cartridge to your PDS. Dispose of the old cartridge as directed by the product label. Continue to work normally. If you have further questions, please refer to the Doxem Precise label or to our website and the series of videos on Doxem Precise featuring the precision delivery system. Thanks for watching.